Welcome to Little Italy in sunny San Diego. If you ever dream of living in a place where you can grab authentic pasta on one block, enjoy a rooftop cocktail on the next, and wake up to bay views early in the morning, this video is for you. We're diving into everything buyers need to know about Little Italy, from its unique history and events to homes for sale right now. Stick around because we've got some secret spots and insider tips you don't want to miss. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living in San Diego, California, then subscribe and click the bell for notifications so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. And don't forget to share with friends and family if you like this video so that you can be the first to know about the current market here in San Diego, California. My name is Victoria Sandoval and I'm with Select Premier Properties. We get calls from people just like you every single day. So whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 9 months, feel free to reach out. My contact information is on the description below and I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to San Diego, California. Little Italy is a lively, walkable neighborhood located just north of downtown San Diego. It stretches from the waterfront near Grape Street all the way up to Laurel Street. You're minutes from the airport, close to freeways like I-5, and just a stone's throw away from downtown's bustling Gaslamp Quarter. Little Italy's story began in the early 20th century when Italian immigrants settled here. It was a hub for San Diego's tuna industry, earning it its nickname, the tuna capital of the world. Over time, it evolved into a charming urban village we know today, full of historic charm and modern luxury. So Little Italy has a population of about 10,000 and is growing steadily. More and more people are choosing to live here because of its unbeatable location and lifestyle. Little Italy is considered very safe for an urban area. It's a close-knit community where people look out for each other, making it a great place to live. All right, so I used to live in Little Italy many years ago, and I would come to this marketplace. It's amazing. They have meats, they have cheeses, they have all of the pasta you could possibly need. You have all the dips here, and it's just a great market. Definitely miss coming here. And it's connected to a coffee bar right next door. If you're thinking about moving to Little Italy, give me a call. Whether you're buying, selling, I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Little Italy is a perfect mix of amazing food, art, and events, and a welcoming community. It is popular because it feels like a slice of Europe right in the heart of San Diego. You've got everything you need here. We have wine bars, we have gelato shops, coffee shops, all within walking distance. Speaking of events, this neighborhood knows how to celebrate. The Little Italy Mercato Farmers Market happens every Saturday and is the largest in the city. Don't miss the Fiesta Italiana, art walk, and live music nights at the Piazza della Famiglia. It's also a party here. So Morning Glory, which is right behind me, is the spot for brunch right now. Between their famous pancakes and amazing decor, it's easy to see why. Pro tip, go early or you'll be ready to wait. Imagine waking up, grabbing a fresh croissant and strolling by the bay. Living in Little Italy means that you're steps away from restaurants, cafes, and art galleries. It's a mix of laid-back luxury here. Let's talk about the weather. Little Italy enjoys San Diego's famous mild climate with temperatures ranging from the high 60s to low 80s year-round. Rain is rare here. Outdoor dining is always an option. Homes here are mostly luxury condos and lofts with prices from the 800,000s to over 2 million, depending on the building and the view. As of December 2024, the median sales price for a 2-bedroom condo around here is $950,000. Many buildings offer amenities like pools, gyms, and even wine cellars. Amici Park is a quiet gem where you can play bocce ball or relax with a good book. And for a real estate insider tip, check out the rooftop bar at Born and Raised. You didn't hear it from me. This is one of my favorite places of all time. Behind me, the glass door. They have phenomenal bay views. You can sip on a cocktail during happy hour and enjoy the beautiful scenery. So we're gonna check out one of Little Italy's oldest boutiques. I used to live in Little Italy and I love coming here. Still here, I'm so excited. Come take a look. If you're in the area, you gotta check it out. If you're buying in Little Italy, focus on what's important to you, either bay views, a rooftop pool, or the proximity to the Mercato. And always check the HOA fees. They can range between $500 to $1,000 a month. Little Italy is super accessible. You're minutes away from the I-5 to downtown and the airport. So whether you work in downtown or love to travel, this location is unbeatable. Families love Little Italy because of Washington Elementary, a highly rated school with excellent programs. It's proof that this neighborhood isn't just for singles or retirees, it's family friendly too. Before I go, let's appreciate Little Italy's history, from its tuna fishing roots to becoming San Diego's Italian cultural hub. This neighborhood has came a very long way. From brewery tours to art galleries and the waterfront park just steps away, Little Italy has something for everyone. And don't forget to try gelato at Papaleco. All right, so I'm here at one of the hottest new listings in Little Italy. It's here at Savina, built by Bosa. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,386 square feet, and it's listed at 1.720. The HOA here is $1,186 a month. Now, the prices here in Little Italy can range between $500,000 to multi-million-dollar properties, but this property in particular is facing the bay, so has an amazing view. This place is phenomenal. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's go check it out. Did you know Little Italy has a food hall? Let's go check it out. Thanks for exploring Little Italy with me. Whether you're here for the food, culture, or real estate, there's no place like it. See you in the next video. Ciao for now.